So in this video, I'm going to explain the expression to go cold turkey. And the basic definition is to describe when somebody stops taking a drug or another thing that they consider or have as an addiction. And this can be by a medical definition or just by somebody's general idea about what an addiction is. So the origin of the expression probably comes from drug addiction. So a lot of people say that it's related to how the skin looks on a person, a drug addict, who is withdrawing from whatever drug they're addicted to. And those people say that it's very sort of cold and damp, like the meat from a turkey, if it's cold turkey. So it's just the comparison there. But when we use it, we're not thinking about that. We're simply considering that it's when you suddenly stop an activity. So it's not when you gradually give up, you reduce the amount or you substitute it with something similar to make it an easy process. We're talking about when you're going down the difficult route to give up this addiction. So the example I have here, I've decided to give up smoking cold turkey. I think it's more likely to work than slowly reducing the number of cigarettes. So I'm not going to debate which is the best method, but by using the phrase cold turkey, what you mean is that you will just stop smoking. You will have zero cigarettes. You will not gradually reduce the number over a period of days, weeks, or months. You will simply decide this is the moment and I will not smoke again. People could also use this for alcohol, for drugs, and some people could use it even to describe if they're maybe doing some other activity. Maybe they enjoy mountain climbing and for some reason they can't do it or they don't want to do it. They could use this expression here. So language is very flexible and many people can decide how they want to use it according to their own situations.